So, I think this is a question that we seriously need to start asking ourselves now. Could PewDiePie actually get to 100 million subscribers before T-Series?
vidIQ.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.com.
Current state of play then, PewDiePie is ahead by almost 25,000 subscribers, and his reign as the most subscribed to YouTube channel in the world, no matter where you are in the world, continues for the 2017th day. Now there's nothing particularly unusual about this day in the race than any other, with the exception that T-Series got to around about 9,000 subscribers today, one of the closest they've been in this race. But if you watched a video we previously made on the topic where we condensed 24 hours of the sub count race into 2 minutes, you will remember that depending on what time of the day it is, the gap can increase and decrease by as much as 25,000. But here's something significant that I want to show you, but we have to go all the way back to the end of October. The sub gap wasn't much different then, 40,000, which in this race can be wiped out within hours. The difference, however, is in the totals. You see, back then we were dealing with two channels close to 70 million subscribers. Now we're dealing with two channels closing in on 90 million subscribers. Both PewDiePie and T-Series have gained 19 million subscribers, each growing by nearly 30% in just 4 months. And now they are both less than 14 million subscribers away from 100 million subscribers. So what I'm trying to say is that since the point at which both channels got really close in total subscribers, they're now more than halfway towards 100 million subscribers, and PewDiePie is still in the lead. By hook or by crook, or Mr. Beast, or any one of a dozen other video creators supporting his cause, PewDiePie continues to defy the odds stacked against him. I myself have predicted on 3 separate occasions that T-Series will overtake PewDiePie, and every time some disturbance in the subscriber force has prevented that from happening. I mean, look, I've been editing this video now for just over an hour, and the sub gap has increased another 10,000 in PewDiePie's favour. I mean, I'm going to be honest with you folks, I'm actually starting to believe. Call it rooting for the little guy, in this case the individual video creator, or the fact that as this subscriber race continues, PewDiePie and other video creators find way to donate money to charity, which is a really super positive news story out of all of this, or reverse psychology. I'm now starting to think that PewDiePie could be the first original content video creator to hit 100 million subscribers on the YouTube platform. And let's be honest, most of you think it's an absolute certainty. When we asked the vidIQ community whether or not PewDiePie will make it to 100 million subscribers before T-Series, 62% said yes, while 18% of you said no. I believe it will be years before T-Series overtakes PewDiePie. Every time T-Series gets close to the overtake, PewDiePie is saved by another YouTuber. I really hope PewDiePie can continue to get the support and push to 100 million. The issue with this race is that I feel like there's a ton of random accounts being created just to subscribe to Pews. No longer is PewDiePie organically staying number 1. If that's the case, YouTube could easily do another audit and make T-Series number 1. The only reason he's been staying up top is because of the mass promoting other channels have done. But keep it coming everyone, let's make him first to 100 million. I want vidIQ to reach 300,000 subscribers soon. That's all, love you vidIQ from Pakistan. Cheers Pakistan, we love you back. If the current situation was at least 10 million ahead, that is if both of them were at 95 million, then I'm sure PewDiePie would have touched 100 million first. But right now it seems like every resource has been literally squeezed. People are actually done with this war. Like, it's just irritating to even hear about it. Although when T-Series does take over, 2 or 3 days for sure, I'm sure that's going to revive the momentum again and PewDiePie will probably surpass T-Series. And then the war will probably end at around 90 million. Why am I always seeing your post? I'm not even subbed to this channel. Lol. Yeah. We've already done a video on this. So, miraculously, the numbers continue to be in PewDiePie's favour. But what do you think? Will he make it to 100 million subscribers before T-Series? Do let us know in the comments below. Now, just as I was wrapping up this video, I spotted this apparent recording of T-Series actually being ahead earlier on in the day after an apparent and sudden subscriber purge on the PewDiePie channel. Here you can see T-Series is 1,000 subscribers ahead. It's just that the subscriber gap count is unable to do negative numbers. Now, if I speed this up, you can see the gap very quickly closes again. Then the sub counter does something a little weird and PewDiePie is ahead again. So, I don't know, did I just make this entire video for nothing? You know what we're going to put this down to? Support!